Cabbage Coconut stir-fry recipe. We just need only 20 minutes to make this delicious recipe, usually served along with rice. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. Then keep it low flame and add 3 red chillies cut into halves, 8 chopped shallots, 1 sprig of curry leaves, 2 cups of chopped cabbage, 1 cup of grated coconut, 3 green chilli slits, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon water. Mix it well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Close the lid and cook for 6 minutes on low flame. After 6 minutes, open the lid and stir it. Cook for 2 minutes without closing the lid. Stir it every 30 seconds to avoid burning. Now we can switch off the flame. Store it in a refrigerator if you are keeping it for the next day. You just need only 20 minutes to make this delicious recipe.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.